Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's drift back into the world of Domino Dreams. Lately, I've been seeing this little trick popping up everywhere. Players are saying you can collect a ton of stars and coins in Domino Dreams using just your phone. No PC, no complicated steps, nothing stressful. At first, I wasn't convinced. Domino Dreams is usually all about patience and planning, so this sounded almost too smooth to be true. But my curiosity kicked in, and I decided to give it a try myself to see what would really happen. In this video, I'll take you through everything I did, step by step, and then show you how it all turned out in the end. Let's see if this method really helps turn those domino dreams into reality. The first thing you'll need is your player ID. You can usually find this in your profile section or somewhere in the settings menu. I found mine pretty fast and copied it so I could use it later. Nothing is confusing here, it's a quick and easy step. Next, I opened my phone's web browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should be fine. Then I searched for the site people are mentioning. They've got all kinds of mods and hack tools for popular mobile games. When the page loaded, there weren't any annoying pop-ups or weird redirects. It actually looked clean and normal, which I wasn't expecting. Next, I selected my platform. I'm playing on Android, but there was also an option for iOS, which was nice to see. After that, I pasted in my player ID and double-checked that everything looked correct. Once I tapped continue, the site started a short loading process with some smooth animations. Nothing lagged or froze, it all worked smoothly. Then it asked how many resources I wanted. For testing purposes, I chose the maximum amount just to see what would happen. After confirming, a few progress bars showed different steps being completed. Everything was clearly explained and easy to follow. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains exactly what to do, so it wasn't confusing at all. I already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead to the results. To see if it actually worked, I jumped right back into Domino Dreams and checked my stars and coins, and they were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting for anything to refresh, it updated instantly, like a perfect domino chain falling into place. I honestly didn't expect it to happen that fast, and it genuinely surprised me. So based on my test, the method worked just like it was described. The steps were simple, the site was mobile-friendly, and everything was easy to follow as long as you take your time. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this yourself, leave a comment and tell me how it went. I check them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.